Hey guys, today I'm at the Pinball Hall of Fame. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada to speak at a conference, and I've done a lot of the stuff that's fun to do around Las Vegas. Thought I'd try something new and different. Pinball Hall of Fame. I saw a review online that said, it's better if you're a casual fan of pinball, not someone who's really into it, which describes me exactly. Actually, I haven't played in years, but I do love playing some pinball. Let's check it out. All right. Thought this might be a little fancier than what it is. It's a warehouse full of pinball machines. Got myself $10 of quarters. Let's find some fun. Spider-Man. Out of order. Wow, some old classic ones. They have some old school video games here too. Some of these I think are just on display and not playable. And Attack from Mars, this is my favorite. Looks like it is not plugged in and working. I do remember this Demolition Man one that's got like these triggers for the flippers. We'll give it a try. Only about half of these games are operational. Maybe a little less than that. All right, I remember this classic Star Wars pinball. If I recall, when you put your money in, it says things like the strongest force with this one, or Obi-Wan Kenobi, you're my only hope. Let's give it a try.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
I remember that. I remember that. All right, here we go. Bunch of X-Men ones. John Wick. Venom. Foo Fighters. Some old school James Bond. Out of order, 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 out of order. Oh, I love Dig Dug. Out of order. Some cool vibes on some of these 70s ones. The Hulk. Charlie's Angels. Some Star Trek ones. Out of order, out of order, out of order. These are some really old school ones, probably from the 60s. Buck Rogers. These look like some really old ones. None of them seem to be working. But Campus Queen. Dixieland. Gold Rush. Crescendo. Stock Car. Early days. All right, here's one I can get into. Iron Man. Some of these newer pinball machines cost $1, but they say cool stuff when you put the money in.
There is nowhere to run.
There's nowhere to run.
Every marker must be honored. Keep going.
Every marker must be honored.
It's going to take more coins than that. Business is good. A few more coins would be nice.
Just played the X-Men. It's the only one where I got a match and earned a free game. Uncanny. Get it? Uncanny. They have some really old school games here. World's Fair Jigsaw. Old hockey game. Really. Zoltar, if you want to be big. All right, had a fun time at the Pinball Hall of Fame. Place is kind of run down and dumpy. More than half the games don't work. But I had like an hour of nostalgic fun for $10. That's more fun than you can have for $10 anywhere else in Las Vegas, I assure you. There's something very nostalgic about pinball. You know, the bumpers and the flippers and the mechanical, you know, kinetic nature of the ball, the steel ball flying around, as opposed to modern video games. I haven't played in years and really enjoyed that. So, yeah, if you're in Las Vegas and looking for some fun, the Pinball Hall of Fame.